Pure Gold, SNR.
Love the Philippines. We are here in the
Sige,
Philippines.
ito na tayo. Wow! Mga pamilya natin yan, nakita nila, nakarating na tayo. So, kung nandyan na sila, ang akin nandyan lang, kanina pa sila umalis sa Pangasinan. So, ko yung pamangkin ko ko nandyan. Kasi sabi ko kayo,
China Airlines.
huwag dito na nga, oh. Iris yun. Iris yun ang pangis.
Thank you, Lord.
Sorry, Jess, nakaalis na ako.
Safe travel.
Wala pa rin yung ano, load ko.
Enjoy. Here, makakainat na rin.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 9:42 in the morning.
9:42 pa
We
lang.
are 45 minutes ahead of schedule. And the ground temperature is recorded at 39 degrees Celsius or 91.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
10:25 pala yung arrival natin.
For a orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated in instructions for the plating. We shall commence passenger plating as soon as we receive clearance to do so. All passengers with flights on Manila will be given priority. Remain seated.
Wala, nilabas ko lang, iniwan ko yan. Ilang ko na sa ano. Kasi late nila binigay yung
Assistance is a
kapanimanin
future
namin. Late nila
aircraft
binigay.
ground staff who will be happy to
Lahat
assist
ng
you.
sinahapin namin.
On behalf of Captain Peter Valdez and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Kasi sabi ko, iwan ko na lang itong ATM.
Safe flight.
Wala rin kami kasi yung isang buwan sweldo ko. Yung anak ng panganay. Yung apo ko. Yung sweldo ng ate. Yung ate ko. Yung ala. Okay na yung may isang buwan pa rin. Sa isang linggo kasi sa akin.
Kuya ng para.
May manok kaming sa